Good morning, children. Today we can learn about Indian and international system of numeration. In Indian system of numeration, we have four periods: units period, thousands period, lakhs period, crores period. So each period in Indian system of numeration, units period contain three places. Next greater than units period is thousands period. Thousands period has two places. Next greater than thousands period is lakhs period. Lakhs period has two places. And next greater than lakhs period is crores period. Crores period contains two places here. Now we can see about the places in each period in Indian system of numeration. Units period has, we said, three places. The three places in units period are ones, tens, and hundreds. Ones, tens, and hundreds are the three places in units period. Next greater than units period is thousands period. Thousands period has two places. They are 1000s and 10,000s. Next greater than thousands period is lakhs period. Lakhs period has two places. They are 1 lakhs and 10 lakhs. And coming to the next greater than lakhs period, that is crores period. Crores period contains two places. They are 1 crores and 10 crores. That means if a number contains 9 digits, we can name those number by dividing into 4 periods under these places. So after dividing them into 4 periods, it is easy for us to write down the number name or numeral in any place. So let us see the international system of numeration. In international system of numeration, here we have 3 periods only. The 3 periods in international system period has 3 places: ones, tens, and hundreds. Next greater than units period is thousands period. Thousands period has 3 places: 1000s, 10,000s, and 100,000s. Next greater than thousands period is millions period. Millions period has 3 places. They are 1 million, 10 millions, and 100 millions. These are the periods in Indian and international system of numeration. Now let us see the difference between Indian system and international system. Till thousands period, both are same. In Indian system, units period has 3 places. In international system also, units period has 3 places. And coming to thousands period, Indian system has only 2 places, but in thousands period, international system it has 3 places. And in here we have lakhs and crores. Instead of lakhs and crores, in international system we have millions period. Instead of lakhs and crores in Indian system, in international we have millions period. So millions period, each period contains 3 places. See here, units period 1, 2, 3, thousands period 3 places, millions period 3 places. So the 3 places you can count as units period, ones, tens, hundreds. Thousands period we can say 1000, 10,000, 100,000, and millions period we can say 1 millions, 10 millions, 100 millions. So this is the difference between Indian system and international system of numeration. Now with the help of these periods, we can write down number name, we can write down numeral, we can write down the expanded form, short form, comparison of numbers, and like this, any number, it is very, very important to divide the given number into periods. If you divide them into periods, it is easy to us to read the number or write the number name and so etc. So we can discuss in the next level, we can discuss how to write down the number name in Indian system and as well as international system. Now once again briefly I will conclude this session with this Indian and international system, how to divide and what are the periods and how can you remember this. So we can remember like this: units period, next greater than units period, thousands period, next greater than thousands period, lakhs period, next greater than lakhs period, crores period. Units, thousands, lakhs, crores. So these periods are easily we have to remember from top to bottom and bottom to top. While you are writing the number name, we have to come from units period onwards, units, thousands, lakhs, crores. But whenever you are writing numeral, we have to come from down to up. That means crores, lakhs, thousands, units, like that. So you have to remember in both way, units, thousands, lakhs, crores, crores, lakhs, thousands, units. So these are the 4 periods in Indian system. Only units period has, in Indian system we have 3 places, but rest all the 3 periods contain 2 places each. So units period has ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands period has 1000, 10,000, lakhs period has 1 lakhs, 10 lakhs, and crores period has 1 crores and 10 crores. So with the help of, so this is useful for 4th and 5th classes students, and you can write down easily the number name. But the others can use units and thousands period up to 2nd class, and units, thousands and lakhs up to 3rd class students. So with the help of these periods, easily we can make them write down the number name and numeral. So for 1st class students, it is very important writing number names in ones, tens, hundreds only. If there are no tens, there we have to place 0. If there are no ones, there we have to place 0. But hundreds place, if anything is there you have to write down places. So how to write down the number name, we can see now. Okay, thank you. Yeah. Now we can see how to write down number name in Indian and international system of numeration. So for example, you can take this number. So this number contains 9 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So now what we are doing this number, we are dividing the given number into periods according to Indian system of numeration. In Indian system we have 4 periods. So coming to the first period, that is units period has 3 places. So we are separating this with a comma. Next greater than units period is thousands period, that is also contains 2 places. So these 2 places before we are placing another comma. Next greater than thousands period, lakhs period contains 2 places, 1, 2. Here we are dividing it with comma. And next greater than lakhs period is crores period also contains 2 places. Now while we are writing a number name, we have to remember 4 points. So the first point here is we have to write down the capital letter at the beginning. And the second point is, don't use anywhere capital letter till end of the sentence. Till end of the sentence we should not use capital letter. Only first letter capital letter. So second point is, don't use any capital letter in the middle of the sentence. And the third one is, use and only at the end. Use and only at the end. And the fourth point is, put full stop at the end. These are the 4 points you have to remember while you are writing a number name. So now see here carefully. So now we are dividing this number into 4 periods. Units period, thousands period, lakhs period, crores period. While we are writing a number name, read the number under the period. Read the number under the period. So under crores period, what the number we have? 30. So read the number at the period and add the name of the period. What is the period's name? Crores. So 30 crores. Next, read the number under the period. 25. Period name lakhs. And read the name number under the period. That is 69,450. At the end, you don't need to use units. So this is writing number name in Indian system of numeration. Now see here carefully. 30 crores, 25 lakhs. See here, crores. Don't forget to add the name of the period. Crores. 30 crores. Next, 25 after lakhs. Somebody will forget to write down the lakhs. Period name you will forget to write. So don't forget. So then 69,000. So name of the period, thousands. Next, 415. 415. And is very important. But at the beginning of the sentence, don't use and anywhere. For example, somebody will use like this also. 30 crores and don't use. 25 lakhs and don't use. So and you have to use only at the end. So that is writing number name in Indian system of numeration. The same number we are writing in international system of numeration. See here. So international system, the same number 302569415. 302569415. So now we are dividing this number name into periods. So in international system and numeration we have only 3 periods. Those are units period, thousands period, lakhs period. So divide them into 3 periods, with each period contain 3 places. So that is units period has 3 places, placing comma for dividing. Next greater than units period is thousands period. Thousands period has 3 places, dividing with comma. Next greater than thousands period is millions period, that also contain 3 places. So divide this into period. Now to write down the number name, what I am telling? Read the number under the period and add the name of the period. Read the number under the period. Under millions period, what we have? 302. So how can you read this 302? 302. But don't use 302. 302 is enough. 302. Add the name of the period. What is that? Millions. So 302 millions. Next. 569. Don't use 569. 569. Name of the period, 1000. So 569 thousands. And at the end, we have to use and only once. So that is 415. 415. So that one we have written, see, 302 millions. Name of the period, millions. 302 millions. 569 thousands. 569 thousands. Name of the period. Don't forget to write down the name of the period. Millions, thousands. And after writing the number name, once again you can check you have written the periods or not. 415. 415. And don't forget to use full stop. So these are the 4 points you have to remember while writing a number name. So first one is writing capital letter. Second one is don't use capital letters anywhere in the middle of the sentence. And the third one is use and only at the end. And the last one is put full stop at the end. These 4 points, if you remember, it is very easy for us to write down the number name if a number consists 9 digits. For example, if a number consists more than 9 digits, that we can learn in further classes like 6th and 7th classes. So if a number consists 9 digits, so how to write down number name or numeral or others by dividing them into periods, we can see now. Okay, so this is writing number name. Now here you see, write down the number name in Indian and international system. The same number you have to write in Indian system and international system. So now divide this number into periods. So how many periods we have in Indian system? 4 periods. Units period, thousands period, lakhs period, crores period. So units period has 3 places. 1, 2, 3. Divide them into units period. Unit next greater than units period. Thousands period 2 places. 1, 2. So place comma. Thousands period. Next greater than thousands period. Lakhs period. Lakhs period has 2 places. Place comma. Next greater than lakhs period. Crores period. So 2 places. So how much we have? 10. So read the number under the period. Crores period. So 10. Add the name of the period. Crores. 10 crores. No lakhs. Nothing is there. So no need to write down any lakhs. So 0 lakhs we have. So no need to write anything. So 50 is 50. So 50 thousands. 301 is 301. So that you have to write the number name in Indian system. So now see here, 10 crores. Capital letter first. 10 crores. 10 crores. No lakhs. 50 thousands. 50. Small letters only. 50 thousands. 50,000, 301. 300 and 1. O-N-E 1. Full stop. So, and is the third point, full stop is the last point, all small letters and first capital letter. These are the 4 points. 1, 2, 3. All small letters is 4. So this is the writing number name in Indian system. The same number you can write in international. International system is easy, very easy than this one. That is 1, 1, 2, 3 zeros, 5, 0, 3, 0, 1. Now divide this number into periods in International System of Numeration. In International System of Numeration, we have only 3 periods. Those are units, thousands, millions. Don't forget, units, thousands, millions. Millions. Each period contains 3 places. So starting from one place and to the right side onwards only you should start. We should start from right side onwards. Units period, 3 places. 1, 2, 3. These 3 places are under units period. Next greater than units period, thousands period. So 3 places. Next greater than thousands is millions period. So in this way you can write down number name in International System Numeration also. So now first starting with, so millions period has 100, that is 100. So 100 millions. First letter should be capital letter. 100 millions. Next lower than millions period is thousands period. Thousands period we have 050. 050 is 50. Other 500 is 500. 005 is 5. So only 50 we have. So 50, add the name of the period, thousands, 50,000. So write down here like this. 50,000. Next, we have units period only. What is the units period? 301. That we can read it as 301. So 301. Write down that one. So 301. ONE. That's completed. So what we have written? See carefully. First letter should be capital letter. All the remaining are small letters. Third one, use and only at the end. Fourth one, put full stop. So these 4 points you have to remember always carefully while you are writing a number name. So now, see carefully. So afterwards you have to check only one thing. Have you written the period names or not? What are the period names you have? Millions and thousands. So 100 millions. Okay, millions you have written. So 050, 50,000. Yes, 50 we have written. Thousands we have written 50,000. 301. So this is writing number name in Indian and International System of Numeration. Thank you. Okay. Now, how to write numerals? Numeral means if the number name has been given, you have to write down the numeral. Now, in the before class I said to divide the given numbers into periods, you have to remember the names of the periods from top to bottom and bottom to top, that is lower to upper and upper to lower, that is units period, thousands period, lakhs period, crores period, like that we are saying. And in the same way, whenever we are writing the numeral, we have to remember the periods from top to bottom, that is crores, lakhs, thousands, units. That is the first and most greatest period is crores period. Crores period, next lower than. So remember, lower, greater. So next greater than thousands period is lakhs period. Next greater than lakhs period is crores period. But we are coming from crores period, so we are telling lower place. So next lower than crores period, thousands period. Next lower than thousands period, lakhs period. Next lower than lakhs period is thousands period. Next lower than thousands period is units period. So crores, lakhs, thousands, units. And coming to International System of Numeration, millions, thousands and units. Millions, thousands and units. These are the places that you have to remember very, very carefully from top to bottom. So with this, it is easy for us to write down numeral also. So than writing number name, you have to remember carefully about the periods and how many places each period contains, also important here. So if the number of places, if there are no digits in that period, we should place zeros. For example, you see here. So 84 crores, 7 lakhs, 13,000 and 9 he is telling. So we have to write down the numeral for this. So first from crores period onwards we are saying. So write down crores period. Next lower than crores, lakhs, next lower than lakhs, thousands, next lower than thousands, units. So first post for our remembrance, you can write down the periods like this for the first number only. Afterwards, by practicing like this, if you are writing more, you will get easily without writing these crores, without writing these periods also, we can write down the numeral. Now see, 84 crores, 84, that means how many digits are there? 2 digits. In crores period also we have 2 digits only. So 84, write down 84 under crores period. So 84, so rather put place comma. 84 crores completed. Next lower than crores, lakhs. How many lakhs we have, you see here carefully. How many lakhs? 7 lakhs. He is telling 7 lakhs. 7 lakhs means, so lakhs period contain 2 places. So we should write down 07. For example, if you have written only 7, so then the number name will comes like this. So see here, 84 crores, observe carefully, 84 crores, and 7 lakhs means just if you are writing 7 like this, 7, and 13,000, 13,000, and 9 means if you are writing like this number, so then what is the number name you can observe. Now after dividing this into periods, units, thousands, lakhs, 8 lakhs 47,139. That means when it is, if you are not placing zeros in your proper places, you will get like this number name. But the numeral is not this one. So 84 crores. So write 84 under crores period. Next lower than crores period, lakhs period. So where you have to place zeros, that is very important. 84 you have, if you are writing the correct only. So next 7 lakhs you have to write 7 lakhs. Lakhs period contain 2 places. If you are writing 07, it is 7. If you are writing 70, it becomes 70. So but what you have to write? 07. 7 lakhs only has given. So 07. 7 lakhs. So lakh period completed. So place comma. Next lower the lakhs period. Thousands period. Thousands period has 2 places. What are the 2 places in thousands period? So here how many thousands has given here? You check. 13,000. 13 means 1 3. If you are writing 1 3, so yes, only 13. So thousands period contain 2 places. Here also he has given 2 places. So 13 comma. Next units period has contains 3 places. Remember carefully. Units period has 3 places. Here you have to write 3 digits. So what are the 3 digits given in units period? You can check. 13,000 and 9. 9 means only 1 digit he has given. So if you are writing, how can you write 9 in 3 digits? How can you write 9 in 3 digits? 009. See here. So 009 if you are writing, then it becomes 9. But if you are writing 090, then it is 90. If you are writing 0900, then it becomes 900. But what is the correct one in 3 places? Now what we have, what he has given to us? And 9 he has given. And 9. So 9 means which one you have to write? 009 you have to write. So that is the correct one. So unit period has 3 places. 009. So full stop. So commas and full stop. See here. Now if you are reading this number name, you will get exact answers because we have kept zeros also. But here in this we did not use zeros. If you are not using zeros, then you will get then wrong numeral. So we should not get wrong numeral like that. So to get the perfect answer, we should use zeros. So to use zeros, we have to remember that. How many places are there in each period, you have to remember carefully. So if you remember that how many places are there in each period, then easily you can write down the numeral. And this is very easiest and easiest method to write down the numeral. So crores period. First observe carefully. Once again I am repeating this one. 84 crores. Crores period under 84. Next lower than crores period. Lakhs period. Lakhs period contains only 7 lakhs. But lakhs period has 2 places. But 7. How can you write 7 in 2 digits? 07. So only you have to use here 0. If you did not use here 0, this becomes wrong. So 07. Next lower than lakhs, thousands period. Thousands period has 2 places actually. But what is the given question? In the given question, how much we have? How many thousands we have? 13,000. 13 means 2 digits. Yes. So we can write down 13 2 digits. Next lower than thousands period is unit spirit. Unit spirit has 3 places. What are the 3 places in unit spirit? How much he has given? 9. Under 9, only 1 digit he has given. So we have to write this 9 in 3 digits. How can you write 9 in 3 digits? 009. Okay, understood? So this is writing number name in Indian system of numeration. And coming to international system of numeration, it is very easy for us. And here also it is given one more given. This one you check carefully. 6 crores. Again from crores. Crores also is there. So again from crores. Next one than crores. Lakhs. Next one than lakhs. Thousands. Next one than thousands. Units. Now you have to write down the numbers under this period. So 6 crores. 6 crores means only 6 he has given. So here no need to use 06 also. Why? Because this is the greatest period. Before how many zeros if you are placing also, for those zeros there is no value. So 6 crores can be written as 6 like that. Next lower than crores, lakhs. But lakhs period should contain 2 places. But how many lakhs are there here? You see 4 crores. Only 4 is there. How can you write 4 in 2 digits? 04. So 04 2 digits 04. If you are writing 40, how much it becomes? 40. So here we have 4 lakhs. So we have to write 04. Next lower than lakhs period is thousands period. Thousands period also contain 2 places. But in the given question, how many places are there in thousands period? You see 3000s. Only 3. So here also now you have to write 3 in 2 digits. How can you write 3 in 2 digits? 3. 03 or 30? Yes, very good. 03. So 03, 3000s and 303. Next lower than thousands period is units period. Units period also contains 3 places. Units period contains 3 places. But in the given question, how many places are there? You see 402. 402. That means here also we have 3 digits. So write down 402. 402. 402 means 402. If you are writing 042, this is 42. 402, 402. And 420, this is 420. Understand? So now which one is the correct one? 402 means you have to write down this 402 like this. So this is writing number name in Indian and international system of numeration. Now I think you have got very good clarification about this writing numeral in Indian system. Now international system numerals you can observe CK. Same here also like this. So 807,040,719. So here also we have got millions. Millions means immediately we have to understand this is the international system. In international system we have 3 periods. Each period contains 3 places. So that you have to remember. So now see here. So millions first. The greatest period is millions period. Next lower than millions period. Thousands period. Next lower than thousands period. Units period. So these 3 you have to remember carefully. Millions period has 3 places. Thousands period has 3 places. Units period also contain 3 places. So millions, thousands and units. How many millions are there here you see? So in millions period what is the question has given to us? So 807. 807 millions. 807 means how many digits are there? 3 digits. So write down 807 in 3 digits. 807. So you millions period completed. Next lower than millions period, thousands period. Thousands period also should contain 3 places. Thousands period also should contain 3 places. But what is the question has given? See has. So 40,000. 40,000 inkemunna 40,000 and said 40 only 40. 40 means only 2 digits he has given. So how can you write 40 in 3 digits? But thousands period also contain 3 places in international system. So 40 you have to write in 3 digits. How can you write 40 in 3 digits? Yes, 040. 040. So that is 40. If you are writing 400, if you are writing how much it becomes? 400. If you are writing 004, how much it becomes? 4. So now he has given 40 for us in thousands place. So you have to write 040. Thousands period. So this is thousands period. 3 places completed. Units millions period has 3 places. Thousands period also we have written 3 places. Now units period also we should write 3 places. But what is given in units period you can check. 3 places are there or you have to place any zeros. You observe carefully. thousand, completed after 719. 719. How can you write 719? 719. So simply you can write down 719. 3 digits are there. 719. Full stop. So this is writing numeral in international system. The same thing here. You one more thing is there. This also you can observe. Millions we have got. So millions, next lower than millions, thousands, next lower than thousands, units. So we have to write 3 digits in each period. Millions period we have to write 3 digits. Thousands period we have to write 3 digits. Next lower than thousands period is units period. Units period also we have to write 3 digits. But in the given question, is there 3 digits in each period or not? We have to observe. Okay, now see here. 5 millions. 5 millions he is telling. So 5, just write down 5. Or otherwise 005 also you can write. But the first period, so for this first period, there is no need to write 00 in the beginning. Okay, so 5 million. So if you are writing 00 also, no problem. So 00 also you can write. So 5 millions. Next lower than millions is thousands period. Thousands period has how many places? Any thousands are here? No thousands. So what to do? You have to leave it? No. What we should do? Very good. What do you have to write? Yes. We should write 3 places in thousands period also. So what are the 3 places you have to write? There are no places in thousands period in the question. So 3 zeros you place. Don't forget to write down 3 digits in thousands period. So thousands period also completed. Next lower than thousands period, units period. Units period has 3 places. How can you write 3? But what is the given in units period? Only 9. 9 we should write in 3 digits. How can you write 9 in 3 digits? Already we have written. Very good. So that is 0, 0, 9. So this is writing number name, numeral in Indian and international system of numeration. In the next class, we can see about face value, place value, and comparison of numbers, then expanded form of numbers, short form. These all we can learn. Oh, don't forget, now in this, after this class, you can learn the periods from greater to smaller. Don't go for places. Places will be useful only for classes first, second, third only. From fourth and above classes, you have to remember only the periods. What are that? Units period, thousands period, lakhs period, crores period in Indian system, units, thousands and millions in international system of numeration. So if you remember these periods, top to bottom, bottom to top. Indian system, if you are observing, units, thousands, lakhs, crores. Then next again, crores, lakhs, thousands, units. Like this, top to bottom, bottom to top. So crores, lakhs, thousands, units will be useful for us in writing numerals. While writing numerals, we should remember that the periods name from top to bottom, that is crores. Next lower than crores period, next lower than crores, lakhs period. Next lower than lakhs period, thousands period. Next lower than thousands period, yes, units period. So these are the places. So you have to remember like that always. Crores, lakhs, thousands, units, units, thousand, lakhs, crores, crores, lakhs, thousand, units, units, thousand, lakhs, crores. If you are remembering like that, so easily you can write down. Now coming to the international system of numeration, here we have 3 periods. They are units, thousands, millions. Very easy. Writing number name or numeral in international system is easy than Indian system. So while comparing the numbers, while writing the numbers in ascending and descending order, while writing the place values, also you can remember it is easy to divide them into or easy to count them into 3 places. Okay? So if you are dividing them into 3 places, how many digits are also there? That is also easy to count. Okay? So divide them into international system of numeration. Now in international system of numeration, here we have 3 periods: units, thousands, millions, millions, thousands, units, units, thousands, millions, millions, thousands, units. Like this, if you are remembering, easily you can write down number, name and numeral. Okay? In the next, we can see